Hey guys, today we'll be making a very simple program with Visual Studio C Sharp. And all we will be doing today will be importing an image into the program and then moving around with the keyboard. So let's open new project. And we'll be making a Windows game 4.0. So let's name this Star Move Tutorial 1. And let me just change where I want to save this. I want to move this to my tutorials folder, programs. There we go, and let's start this. So first of all, we'll start by importing the picture, which will be a star for me, into the program. So we'll go to the content folder, right click, add existing item, and then for me, I will be adding a star, which you will see right here. Happy star, woo! And as you see, it shows up right here in the content folder. So let's start by making the rectangle now. So rectangle star rec. And then next the texture 2D. Star text. Next we will initialize the rectangle in the initialize method as we're seeing right here. Take away this line of code. And we will have star rec is equal to new rectangle, and we will have it placed at 100, 100, and then the size, we'll just have it as 100 pixels by 100 pixels too. That sounds like a good size. Next we'll load the star into the program, or into the texture. Star text is equal to content dot load texture 2D, and then happy star. And where I'm getting this name from is this is the name of the star that we have loaded into the content folder. And you guys will, this will probably be different for you guys, just whatever you named the picture. And also what this did was this is just initializing the rectangle. So 100, the first two numbers are where it will be placed on the screen or in the program screen, and then these two are just going to be the size of the rectangle, the last two numbers. So now let's go to the update method and let's work on the keyboard. Let's start by initializing the keyboard. So keyboard state, keyboard state, we'll name it keys. Actually, let's just name it keyboard, KB for short, is equal to keyboard dot get state paren. Did I spell that wrong? No. Alright, so we're gonna have 4 if statements for up, down, left, and right. Let's go ahead. If kb dot is key down, keys, uppercase keys dot up, close parentheses, then we'll have star rec dot y minus minus. So it's going to be going up and down, or just up in this case. But since it's going up, it's going to be going negative on the next y-axis. Sorry, it's going to be negative on the y-axis, so y minus minus. So now let's just copy and paste this 3 more times, so we'll have it for all the directions. And then we'll change this to down, and then change it's still going on the y-axis, so just change this to plus plus. Now we'll do left and right, and now we'll be working on the x-axis. So now all we have to do is change the change the y to x. And since we're going left, we'll be going negative on the x-axis. So we'll go in negative, 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 and now we'll be going right. So we'll change it to x again. Shift X, and then plus plus. So now all we have to do is draw it on the screen with the draw method. Let's go sprite batch dot begin paren sprite batch dot draw. Then we'll start with the texture, so star text star rec, and then whatever color you want it to be. I'll do color dot white to keep it the original color. And then we just have to end the sprite batch dot end, and there we go. So we are drawing the sprite mesh and the star on the screen. moving the star with the keyboard, and then we have the star being loaded in to the texture, initializing the rectangle, and then we have our two variables. Alright, let's compile the code and let's see if this works. Alright, here's our star moved perfectly on the screen, and there we go. There's our star moving freely around the screen. It can move in any direction, and good job. Thanks for watching.